Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So I am totally comfortable. I have no makeup at all, but I like to do that because when I'm talking about skincare, I want you guys to be able to see what my actual skin looks like because there's no point putting heavy duty makeup on when if I did have any skin problems, you wouldn't be able to see them. So this is my skin, you guys. It's funny because I never really considered myself having amazing skin, but as I get older, so I'm 34, I see other people and I can tell that yes, I do actually have really good skin. If I can sound kind of like that, I do. So I have always been passionate about skincare. It pretty much started when I was like 15, and my mom kind of got me into like cleansing, toning, moisturizing, the whole works. So if that sounds confusing to you and you're going, oh my God, I wash my face with soap and water, don't worry, it's never too late to start. But I will tell you guys why it's so important to cleanse, tone, and moisturize and use an exfoliator because you need all of those products to work together. Just using one won't have your skin looking like this if you guys think that I have nice skin. Using two of them or all of them incorrectly in the wrong order will make things worse, and then you will wonder why you don't have good skin even though you are spending all of this money on skincare products but it's not working. So I'm just going to share my screen so that I can show you guys products that I love, and if you're looking for a package to get started in amazing looking skin, this is it. So I'm just going to share my screen here, you guys. So I love this company because it is a natural company plus science behind it. So we're not talking about just using like baking soda to wash your face or like natural soap and water. That won't cut it. For you to have amazing skin, you need some science behind it to help to cleanse, tone, keep everything in so you have the best skin possible. So this is perfect for you. If you bought all of the products separately, you would be spending a lot more. So this is perfect, you guys. If you were to go to Sephora as an example, they have so many options. Yes, it looks amazing, like pretty packaging, but you are spending a fortune for a lot of things that really might not work together. So you need a system that works together, okay? So I'll talk about this a little bit. So for a cleanser, that is number one. You want to wash your face with that first because that will actually help to cleanse and prep your skin for everything else. So that will take away any extra oils that are pretty much on there clogging up your pores. That will take away any sun damage, pollution that has been sitting on that top layer of your skin. So then after that, you want to use an exfoliator. Now you could use this one morning and night, but I find that that's a little bit much for a lot of people because you can over exfoliate. So I would use the exfoliator on the face and the neck. I would say 3 times a week at nighttime. Okay, so I would not use it during the day. You can, but I just find that that can be too much for some people. So I'd prefer you to kind of start lighter first. So that will actually help to take away that dead skin. We all have, you guys, dead skin cells just sitting there. That's the only way to take them off. The other way is to just have them come off naturally, but that happens once a month. You will not have amazing skin if the dead skin cells are just kind of sitting there because nothing else can penetrate through them. It just won't happen. So you'll be doing your like cleansing, your toning, the moisturizing, and you won't have very nice skin. It's not going to look any better, okay? Sorry, all of these pop-ups here, you guys. I will try to fix that later. So you want to exfoliate 3 times a week after cleanser at nighttime. That's my tip for you. Okay, so next step after the exfoliating is to use a toner. So let's just say you were doing this in the morning and you have not used the exfoliator. You would use a cleanser and then a toner. So toner actually helps to take away any extra oils, makeup, anything that the cleanser has left behind. You don't just want to use toner without the cleanser because then that's too harsh, okay? So toner helps to sort of prep your skin for the moisturizer, which is amazing, right? So if you're not using a toner, and let's say you're just using cleanser and then the moisturizer, you're not having the moisturizer sink in properly. So it's just sitting there on skin that hasn't been toned and prepared, okay? So the moisturizer is your last step, probably the most important step, because this is like a protective shield for your face and neck. Never forget the neck, against sun damage, against pollution, against pretty much the outside world, okay, honestly. And with the extra stuff in there, this will actually help to keep your skin healthy looking. It keeps the skin nice and hydrated. There's antioxidants in there. There's all kinds of things, you guys, because your skin is your largest organ. We need to take care of it. So cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Plus this one I love because it has zinc oxide. Does anybody know what zinc oxide is? Zinc oxide is in sunscreen. So this is a sun protectant at the same time without having to add something else into your skincare like sunscreen with sometimes the extra chemicals, the extra scents, the extra oiliness that you don't need. Plus, to buy a sunscreen for your face is probably like $30. So why not spend $68.25 and get all of this? Plus, I like this company because anytime you do look at the website, they have all of this at the bottom. So you can see exactly what is in their product. Let me zoom in. Oh, sorry, God, it's not letting me. So let's say we want to look at the moisturizer. Click on the product info page. It should let me zoom in now. And it will tell you guys everything about it, why it actually helps you, and things you could also purchase to sort of have it all work together. So I love that because there are a lot of companies out there that don't share all of their product info. So A, you don't know how to use it properly. You don't know what's in there and you just don't know, right? So if you guys, this is amazing. If you would like to purchase this, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. You will love it. And hey, if you don't like it, you can take it back. I believe it's within 30 days, but you can take it back, you guys. But you will love it. Now, keep in mind, you will not have amazing skin overnight. But overnight, it will feel so much better. It might not look any different, but you will definitely notice a difference in just how it is overall. For your skin to start to look better, I find it takes about 2 weeks of using it every day, twice a day. If you have never used a cleanser, as an example, it might take a little bit longer because there's sort of your skin's trying to get used to everything. But you will feel amazing. You will love this stuff. And this is a great price. It is on sale, you guys. Check it out. This is for normal to dry. I will leave the full link on the bottom for you because they have also normal to oily also. So it just kind of depends on what you need and what your skin needs. Here it is. The normal to oily here. If you wanted some extra stuff too, which you could have, but I just thought to kind of like save you guys money. And this is more for something that takes it a step further, because it does have like a, I don't know, kind of a serum kind of built in, but you don't really need that right off the bat. Like just to start simple, this is the way to go. These masks though, if I can say, these are great to have too. I wish they had a picture like of you actually putting it on. It is amazing. Think of you going to the spa to get a facial. This is like a facial in a package. Like your skin actually will look amazing the next day. Like you will notice a difference right away. But that is something that I would definitely also suggest. But if you would like to keep things simple, just stick with this normal to dry package or the normal to oily, depending on your skin type, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, because this is a passion of mine. Like, I quite like talking about skincare, especially because at 34, you can have amazing skin still. So, and it's never too late to start. Thank you guys. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.